In today's video, we are going to share some styling tips for bookshelves and display cabinets. The storage pieces not only keep your belongings organized but also provide an opportunity to showcase your personality and add visual interest to your space. Let's dive into some easy and creative styling ideas. Hi, welcome back to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel where we bring you some easy and practical tips for your beautiful home decoring. Tip number 1, grouping books by colors. Grouping books by color instead of arranging your books randomly, consider organizing them by color. This creates a visual pleasing and cohesive look on your bookshelf. Grouping book by color can also help create a focal point and add a pop of color to your space. So it's very important and very helpful grouping books by color. Take a look at this bookshelf by organizing the book by color. It creates a beautiful rainbow effect. It not only make finding books easier, but also add a vibrant and eye-catching elements to overall decor. Tip number 2, balancing vertical and horizontal arrangements. Mix up the orientation of your books and decoring objective to create visual interest. Alternative between vertical stack of books and horizontal display of accessories to add variety and dimension to your shelves. Look at how this combination of vertical and horizontal arrangement adds depth and balance to your uh, bookshelf. It creates an engaging and dynamic display that draws the eye and keeps things visually interesting. Tip number 3, incorporate personal items. Bookshelves and display cabinets are the perfect place to showcase your personal item and memories. Display photographs, artwork, and sentimental objects that reflect your personality and add a personal touch to the space. Take a look at how the addition of personal item like frame photos and cherished object add a sense of warmth and individuality to the display. These personal touches make the bookshelf feel unique and truly reflect the owner's style. Tip number 4, add textual elements. Incorporate different textures to make your bookshelf or display cabinet visually appealing. Mix in woven baskets, ceramic vase, and metallic accents to add depth and create an eclectic look. Look at how these woven basket and ceramic vases and texture and interesting to the bookshelf. The combination of different materials and finishes add a tactile quality and bring a sense of warmth to the overall display. Tip number 5, utilize negative space. Don't feel the need to fill every inch of your bookshelf or display cabinet. Leave some empty space to create breathing room and allow the item you have carefully curated to stand out. Negative space help maintain a clean and organized look. Look at how the strategic use of negative space in this bookshelf creates a visual balance and uncultured display. The empty space allow the item to shine. The empty spaces allow the item to shine and create a sense of visual calmness. And that's almost the things are there. Styling tip for bookshelf and display cabinets by grouping books by color, balancing vertical and horizontal arrangements, incorporating personal items, adding textual elements, and utilize negative space. You can create a beautiful style display that reflect your style and showcase your favorite items.